Hi there, virtual pinball fans. I am going to do a quick review of the Game Room Solutions 27-inch playfield cabinet. I'm actually really happy with this cabinet. It uses some MDF material for pretty much the entire thing. I ordered it with the these actual plastic pieces inserted. It costs a little more money, but I think it was worth it because it's just nice to have that all done up front. And then I also got like the the laminate put on there with all the designs and everything, which I'm pretty happy with too. Overall, it's a pretty nice size, pretty nice design. As you can see, I got the cutout for the DMD, and also installed some DOF in there, which works really well, the force feedback. The biggest problem with this, and I've heard a lot of people complain about this, is that you can't take the monitor out with the way that it's designed. But it's actually a really simple fix. All that I did was, if you go under here when you're building it, it's nice to know this to think about this when you're building it too. If you look underneath the cabinet, I don't know if you can see that very well, but right there, that's supposed to go inside of this board. Instead, I just laid the board on top of it, and it ended up, you could do it different things, like you could just put like an L bracket in there real easily, but it just turned out where it pressure fitted right up against the top of the cabinet nicely. And I actually like having the monitor. I know some people inset the monitor, but I actually like having the monitor right up against the back glass because it tilts it a little more towards you. It's just easier to see when you're playing the games and stuff, so I just liked it more that way. But as far as the rest of the build quality goes, I mean, it's pretty decent. It's obviously not like made for going into an arcade, perhaps. Like, you know, if you had people being abusive to it, it probably wouldn't hold up real well. But inside of a home, I would say it'll last a lifetime for sure. The only real problem is the MDF is not like the highest grade MDF material. So what you'll notice is, like, I can't really show it here, but it's easier to get it to kind of flake apart when you're putting screws in it and stuff, as opposed to some higher grade MDF material. But can't beat the price, and I love the 27-inch size. It's like perfect for not taking up a bunch of space. It's easier to move around and stuff, but the playfield size is still really big enough. I don't even think I would ever get a full size now that I've experienced the 27-inch. I like just being able to pull a chair up to it. So when I play, I just pull a chair up like this, and I can sit down and play, and it's comfortable, and I can see the playfield real nice. So yeah, it works out real well. And just give you a little, this force feedback setup I built myself. She's the power supply and the relay driver, and then all the actual solenoids are up here. I designed this special circuit right here where you can see where all the capacitors are. That actually makes sure that they get the full 12 volts when they're initially kicked off, but then the current's reduced and the voltage is reduced once they're held in a closed state. So they never overheat. They never get hot at all, actually. It works really well. And you can see they're super responsive. And overall, it works great. So that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed it.